Mocha. I did
Today we're going to 7 questions from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2B, the harder set reading and writing questions. Always read the question first. Number 7 reads according to the text. Why was Wang and his team's discovery of TX fossil significant means important? And notice I read it as TX because when you're taking your test, you're not going to get any points for pronouncing correctly in your head. So if you get a complicated name like this, just read it as TX. It'll be simpler for you. And so we're going to go to the passage, keeping that in mind. For many years, the only existing fossil evidence of MEs, an extinct family of large aquatic arthropods known as sea scorpions related to modern arachnids and horseshoe crabs. So by the way, between dashes, whenever between dashes, you always take it out. It'll simplify the sentence for you. Now here we know that it's describing what ME is, but I'm going to take that whole thing out so I can follow the sentence better. And then it reads, for many years, the only existing fossil evidence of MEs came from four species living on the paleocontinent of Laurussia. So we also get a little foreshadowing because the only evidence of the MEs was in Laurussia. Okay. And then next sentence. So it sounds like maybe we're going to find somewhere else. Next sentence, a discovery that expands our understanding of geographical distribution. So geographical, what's that have to do? That has to do with geography, where something is. Expands our understanding of geographical distribution of the M's. Paleontologist Bo Wang and others have identified fossilized remains of a new M species, TX. And up to this point, the question asks about TX, but the whole passage is talking about M's. So, here finally we get the connection. So, the TX is a type of M. And it lived over 400 million years ago on the paleocontinent of Gondwana. So the one theme, it does mention a year here. It didn't mention a year before, but for all we know, Laurussia was 400 million years, over 400 million years ago as well. What we do get is that, hey, it was in Laurussia, and then it expands geographical distribution, so we know more about where it's at. And then it says that it was found in Gondwana. So it was like found in more places than they had thought before. And so we've just predicted our answer, which is what you always want to do when you look at a reading, writing question. We'll go to the answer choice. The fossil constitutes the first evidence found by scientists that M lived over more than 400 million years ago. No, we don't know. It doesn't mention when those four species were dated to Laurussia. So answer choice B. Fossil helps establish that M are more closely related to modern arachnids and horseshoe crabs than previously thought. No, it just defines them as related to modern arachnids and horseshoe crabs over here. It talks about all of them as being related. So answer choice B is gone as well. Answer choice C. The fossil helps establish an accurate timeline of evolution of M's on the paleocontinent of Laurussia and Gondwana. So for all we know, these evolved separately. Laurussia and Gondwana. It doesn't say like that one species is evolved into the other. They evolved separately, or they evolved all on the same timeline. Evolution's not really talked about there. Answer C is gone. So we're putting our money on D. Let's make hopefully it explains it correctly. The fossil constitutes the first evidence found by scientists that M's existed outside the paleocontinent of Laurussia. That's got to be a correct answer, because before it was talking about only Laurussia, and then once again, it expands our understanding of the geographical distribution, implies that it's found in another place. Sure enough, it is found in another place, Gondwana. So answer D is going to be your correct answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with this. It's just a generic reading comprehension question. If there's any questions you'd like to answer from the official ACT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to do a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out our 1 minute video. They're below these videos. If you go to IB Masters Learning Center on YouTube, look for the playlist Test 2 Module 2B, the harder set of reading and writing questions. And within that playlist, the videos below the longer videos will be the 1 minute videos. Have a great day.